I'm at Abe's house because I'm gonna do his headlight because his headlights are fucked. So I have the McGuire's thing, and I'm gonna try to revive his headlight. But I was about to drive up my car over that driveway, but the diffuser hit the road, or like, I don't even know.
Hit my driveway.
Yeah, his driveway, and ripped my bumper off, so I'm not even gonna try. But do you guys remember George? He's not here, but his car is. Sitting right here. It's been sitting for, how long has it been sitting?
Since October. No, September, October.
Yeah, it's been sitting since October or September. Cause he went to Texas for school.
And also because his car doesn't run. So, we don't know if it's some kind of sensor or crankshaft sensor, but if you guys have any input how to fix it quickly, let us know in the comments below.
Wait, what does it do though?
It just cranks, doesn't turn over at all. So we looked into forums, and it's possible that it could be a crankshaft sensor or a camshaft sensor or one of those sensors. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, if you guys are Z guys and know how to work on these 350Zs, comment down below what it could possibly be. It'll make our lives a lot easier, and also when George comes back, he can be driving a car. So yeah, that'll be super ideal.
Because it's gonna be a lot better if he gets back and his car is running. So we're trying to like get it running for him. As for this video, this is what I'm gonna do. If you look at the headlights, it looks like it's been through a lot. So I used it for my 370 headlight and it worked. So
let's see if it works.
Yeah, we'll see if it works on this bitch. Cause
it's pretty hazy.
Yeah, but I'm definitely sure it will. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Do you have a blue tape?
Blue tape? Yeah.
Yeah, we need that. So here's where I'm at right now. As you can see, there's still a lot of stains and shit, like on this side. But before I hit it, that stain was all the way like right up to here. But as you can see right now, it's hazy and shit. That's normal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to hit it and clean it, and I'm gonna show you how it comes out after. What do you think?
It's alright.
Chill. You don't trust me?
No, I do trust you. I just don't know how this stuff works.
Just watch.
Because like, you know how like people tell you, oh yeah, this shit works, and you try it and it never works?
Yeah. I mean,
it's like, it's one of those things that I feel like wouldn't work. I'm sure you guys can resemble or feel how I feel about it. Because I'm sure you guys see sometimes on like YouTube ads or like Facebook ads or Instagram ads, like, oh yeah, do this and it'll work just fine. Like, I'm sure you guys seen the Ceramic Pro stuff that half the shit doesn't even work.
Yeah, like when they show you how it works,
right,
it works.
It works, right. So like, this is kind of stuff that makes me kind of skeptical, because I always thought that you had to bring it to a detailer, you know, get it sanded and all that shit. Excuse my French. But I'm skeptical about it. I'm not skeptical with Clyde, because Clyde has done crazy things that I've never thought you could do. But again, I'm not doubting Clyde. I'm just doubting the process. That is all it is.
The process or the product? Both.
Both. Both.
But just wait. I'm gonna show him how it works.
A few minutes later.
All right, so I'm kind of done with the first headlight. So this is how it used to look like. You can see that yellow and shit. And now, after using the thing, it's clear. It almost looks brand new if you compare it to how it used to look like. Just from this angle, like this side right here, it's like yellow and stuff, and now it's clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side, and yeah. First thing you gotta do is use this cleaning solution with this cleaning pad right here. So it comes in the box. So you get this, and then you get this headlight coating. So you gotta do this after you do this. So what you're gonna do is you gotta put a quarter size drop onto the pad, just like that. And you're just gonna apply it to the headlight. Just one motion. You can't do like swirls or like up and down and then left and right. If you want to do left and right, then just do left and right. So just do that. And just continue doing that to the whole headlight, and then wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. So yeah, after the cleaning solution, this is how it should look like. So you got rid of the yellowing. It's hazy, but it's clear. So make sure it's clean. And now you can apply the headlight coating.
Whenever and however you want. Forget about skip limits, shuffle play, and app interruptions. Premium gives you complete control over your mindset. Ready to try a free rolling run? Tap the band and run more.
After the first pass of coat, just look. It's clear. But we gotta do 3 coats. So for the first coat, that's not bad.
God damn.
So see, earlier he said he's doubting it. Now look at this. Look at this motherfucker's face.
Yeah, I don't doubt it no more.
That's the first coat. Your car looks new now, bro.
Holy
Like
shit.
if you have like yellow headlights, doing this makes your car look 10 times better.
Cleaner.
100%. Yeah. I'm gonna finish off by doing like the other coats, and we're gonna show you later how it actually looks like after. So I'm done doing the headlight. Yeah, so with just 2 steps, you're gonna use the cleaner, the cleaning solution, and the headlight coat. That's how it came out. So it's not perfect, but it's 10 times better than the yellow fucking headlight. What can you say about it?
It works.
It works, right?
It works. So, like Clyde said, it's not perfect. But I mean, for how bad it was, I mean, I don't know, because the prior owner had this car. So I don't know if he had it from the very beginning of the car or how long he had it for. So for what it is, it's a lot better than me spending more money and buying headlights. So I'm happy with how it turned out. Again, I did from the very beginning of the video, you will see, I was doubting the product. I was, and I will be more than happy to admit that. But I'd love to see how it came out. I mean, that's awesome. I mean, I didn't even have to bring it to a detailer, even though big shout out to Alex. Nothing against you, bud, but Clyde wanted to do something, and Clyde said, hey, fuck it, let me try it. And it looks great. So the next thing we have to do now is finish up the wrap. I mean, I just started doing the hood. The hood didn't come out as good as I thought it would come out in my perspective, but the last owner got this car repainted. Whoever painted it did a shit job. Paint's chipping everywhere. So Clyde and I are actually gonna be sanding down some portions of the car.
Like that.
Yeah, there's
that
like chunks missing over here too. And then like you can also tell like certain areas they're just missing chunk of paint.
We're gonna sand it down so you can lay the wrap.
Right, so the wrap doesn't look, you know, shitty or it won't lift. So this is like the part of the process where if you ever want to get wrapped by us, it's not like where, oh, you get the car and you just wrap it. You know, if you have pretty much the bodywork, you know, bodywork or paint cracked or whatever
like
the case
that.
may be, it has to be sanded, because if you lay the wrap, over time it's gonna lift off and it's gonna lift the wrap and it's gonna lift the paint. So what we do is that we prep it. So for instance, there's a huge spider crack right here, but before you can feel it with your nail, now you can't feel it at all. So now this is nice and smooth, so when I lay the wrap, you won't see these lines, it'll be nice and smooth. Same with this portion. So
yeah, plus at this paint condition, we're definitely gonna have to decontaminate it.
yeah.
Because there's a lot of road grime on the paint and you can't wrap over that. So
Yeah, I mean, other than that, like again, look at the door jambs. Door jambs, whoever painted did a terrible, terrible job. So you can tell like all the paint was just peeling off. So right now, Clyde and I, probably tomorrow, we're probably gonna get some paint thinner, get as much of that paint off, and then
or not even off, just to like make it flat.
Make it flat. And then, because my plan is to actually paint as much as, not paint, I'm sorry, to wrap as much as I possibly can inside the door jambs. So, yeah, so stick to the channel. I mean, probably tomorrow, probably to like the rest of the week, we're probably gonna be wrapping it, you know, finishing up the trunk, you know, and then go through the process of what's it like to build and to do a lot of work to a car like this. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. So we're gonna make another video for wrapping the car and everything, and the trunk setup and the rest of like whatever we're gonna do with it. But for now, that's it. Those are the headlights. And yeah.
But yeah, so stay tuned. Again, that was just the first thing. I already bagged the car already, so you guys didn't capture that yet. That's because Clyde was already out of the country. So I already bagged the car. Already did, you know, arms. Big shout out to Uleto's Performance. That's where I get my alignment done. If you guys don't know him, they're located in Patterson. If you're located in North Jersey, go to him. Phenomenal job. Also, huge shout out to Max. He helped me out with the arms, and there was a lot of cutting and shaving to do in order to run this mount of camber that I'm running right now. So, yeah. Again,
what do you have on negative what?
Negative 16 in the rear and negative 11 in the front.
But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one with the S2K.